Hello everyone, this is Madhvi here. In today's video, let's see about two tags, that is paragraph tag and heading tags. Paragraph tag is used to display content in paragraphs and the heading tag is used to create headings to the content. There are totally 6 heading tags we have, that is H1, H2, H3, H4, H5 and H6. Let us work on it. Let's get started. In the last video, I have showed you how to download and install Visual Studio Code. If you haven't watched the video, I have given the link in the description box. Use the link and install Visual Studio Code to work on with HTML5. Let's open the Visual Studio software. So here I have already created an HTML5 file. So you can see we have the default template. So now you just observe within the body tag, you can see I have placed some content within the body tag. You can just see the first line you have like introduction to HTML, CSS and JavaScript, and then you have some three paragraphs. That is, first one is about HTML, second is about CSS, and third one is about JavaScript. That is the 3 paragraph I have created within the body tag. Now I'm going to just show you this on the web page, how it is going to be displayed. First save this file. So I'm going to save inside the HTML5 folder on the desktop. I'm going to name it as paragraph .html. Click on save. Yeah, now it is saved. Let's open that file. So it is inside the folder HTML5. So all your HTML documents will be rendered on the browsers only. So I'm opening. Now you can see how it is being rendered on the web page. You can see here I have created like a paragraph. I have put the content like a paragraph, but on the web page it has been displayed all the content together. It doesn't display it as a paragraph. So all the contents are combined and displayed as a one paragraph. Now to display it as a paragraph, like in the 3 different paragraphs, I am going to use a tag called as p tag. So all my content should be within the p tag. So that is opening p tag, and after the content we should have the closing p tag. So the closing p tags, that is nothing but ends with the backslash, that indicates it is the closing tag. So likewise, like the first paragraph, all other 2 paragraphs I'm going to put the content within the p tag. Now you can see all my content I have put within the paragraph tag, that is all the 3 paragraph. Now you see I'm going to refresh this page. Now you can see the content are being displayed with like a paragraph. It is being displayed like a paragraph. Before, all the content was combined, it was like a 1 paragraph. Now it is displayed as a 3 paragraph. For that we are using this p tag. Now I'm going to create the heading. Now this is all about the paragraph tag. Now you can see there is a heading like introduction to HTML and CSS and JavaScript. Now you see on the web page it is showing you like a normal content. To make the content as a title, I'm going to use heading tags. Now I'll use a h1 tag. Let us put the content in between the opening h1 tag and closing h1 tag. Now it is done. So let us refresh the web page. So see, once after the refreshing the web page, you can see the content now looks like a title. So now this is the effect of the heading tags. likewise, let us use the other levels of the heading tags. Now the same content I'm going to put in the other levels of the heading tags. Now in H2 I'm going to paste the same content. Likewise, I'm going to put the same content in the 6 levels of heading tags. Now it is done. Let us refresh the page. Now you can see the difference of H1 to H6 heading tags. H1 being the largest to 2, H6 being the smallest heading tags. This is how the different levels of heading tags are being rendered on the web page. So with this, I hope you all understood about the paragraph tag and heading tag. In the next video, let's see about bold and italics tags in HTML5. So all stay connected. Thank you.